If you're experiencing billing issues with Outlook 2026, follow these steps to resolve them efficiently. This guide will help you identify and fix common problems. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review billing history. In the billing section, review your billing history for any discrepancies or missed payments. Look for any pending charges or failed transactions that might need your attention. Step 3. Update billing information. If your payment method is outdated or incorrect, update your billing information. Add a new credit card or payment option and save the changes to ensure future transactions go through smoothly. Step 4. Contact Microsoft support. If the issue persists after checking your payment method and billing history, contact Microsoft support. Provide them with details about your billing problem for more personalized assistance. Step 5. Monitor your account. After resolving the issue, keep an eye on your account for any further billing discrepancies. Regularly check your billing history and payment methods to prevent future problems. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing issues with Outlook 2026 effectively. If problems continue, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for further help.